Hello beautiful people, in this video I will be showing you how to make this very beautiful emulsified green tea scrub that will moisturize and exfoliate your skin at the same time. The first set of ingredients we'll be using are stearic acid and emulsifying wax. These two ingredients are the ingredients that will give our scrub that creamy consistency and also that moisturizing effect. Next, I have my jojoba oil. You can use any other oil of choice, any other carrier oil of choice. This is going to help in dissolving the stearic acid and emulsifying wax, and it's also going to moisturize the skin. So the first step is to add the oil into the e-wax and stearic acid. The oil is going to help us to dissolve these two ingredients. We're going to dissolve them using the double boiling method. So here's my oil with the stearic acid and e-wax. Now we're going to drop this in a pot of boiling water and let it dissolve. You cannot dissolve using direct heat. So as you can see, it's already dissolving gently. I'm going to keep stirring while it dissolves until it is completely dissolved. Now, as you can see, there is no trace of stearic acid or e-wax in the oil anymore, and now our oil is ready. We can go ahead and make our scrub. Now the next step is to allow the oil cool, and as it cools, it's going to become thicker. The e-wax and stearic acid will thicken up. As you can see, this is after about 10 minutes. It's already thickening up, and I'm going to stir it so that it thickens up all over. Now this is the base of our scrub. This is what makes the scrub an emulsified scrub. We don't just want a dry scrub, we want a creamy looking scrub. Next we have our white sugar here. You can also use brown sugar or jojoba beads, any other exfoliant. White sugar is an exfoliant. It's going to help remove the dead skin cells from the skin. So now as our base has thickened up, the next step is to add the white sugar into the creamy base. If you're finding this video helpful, please make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Now it's time to mix. We're going to mix the sugar with the base until everything is well combined and we cannot separate the sugar from the base anymore. We're going to mix very well. While we are mixing, let me tell you some of the benefits of emulsified scrubs. Now this is different from the scrubs where you just mix your sugar with different oils together. This is emulsified, so it has a better consistency, it's creamier, it will help to moisturize your skin as it's exfoliating your skin. It's also easier to rinse off emulsified scrubs. Emulsified scrubs are easier to spread around the skin and it doesn't leave your skin feeling oily. So this is just perfect. And next we have our green tea powder. Green tea is rich in antioxidants. It can help in improving the skin's texture and feel. It can also help protect your skin against sun damage. So I'm going to add the green tea powder into the scrub and then I will mix until everything is well combined. Now you can also go ahead and add fragrance to this or essential oils, but I am not adding any. I'll also not be adding any preservative because this product does not contain water, and also it's a really small batch that is for personal use. However, if you're making for sale, then you always have to add a preservative. If you don't add a preservative, then make sure that the scrub does not come in contact with water, because once it does, then it's going to start to grow molds and bacteria. So here is our finished product. It looks great and it feels great on the skin. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new and hope you'll be trying out this scrub. I know you found this video helpful, so please give it a thumbs up, also subscribe and also leave a beautiful comment. Bye.